Every day, the world gets faster, more complex, and more diverse. People look for security, control, and protection. We take care of these needs by providing fire protection services. Fire protection products for the construction industry. Fire protection products for industrial applications. Europe's strongest portfolio in fire protection. We provide expert assistance with fire damage, hazardous materials, water damage, and damage caused by natural hazards. Advanced, innovative, efficient, and personal. For 50 years, all driven by a single goal: the reassuring feeling of being protected. Protect your values.